Now, you said initially you did not really interact with him or communicate with him, but if you did so, it was in person. Did that at any stage change?
Ubukhe wathi apha ubungenguye umuntu ubuye ube nonxibelelwano naye kodwa ibe ithi biyenzeka lonto yenzeke nithethathethane ubuso ngobuso ike yenzeka leyo nakwesiphina isigaba sokuba nibe niyathetha ubuso ngobuso.
Ewe yenzekile.
Yes, that happened.
What was the circumstances at that stage, and why did it change?
Imeko bezinjani ngelo xesha yaye intoni eye yabangela into kokubana kube khona utshintsho?
Uqala ukuze sibe asithethi ngokubonana uze yena andifowunele.
Firstly, when it happened to, or when it got to a level of us not talking in person, uqale yena ukufonela.
Ewe ngokuqala.
He first called me. Kuba?
Just explain, why did he call you?
Khawucacise kuba intoni isizathu esabangela into bakufowunele.
Undifowunela kuba kwakukho ingxaki yodushe olwalukhona emakhanda ngela xesha.
He called me because there was a problem of some fighting or violence that took place in Makanda at the time.
Isenziwa ngabahlali ke lonto yachaphazela inkonzo.
That was done by public members, which affected services.
And kwakufuneka emotion court ihleli ngalo lwesibini lo.
And the motion court had to sit on that particular Tuesday.
Uxelelwe ke ngomnye wo-advocate.
He was therefore informed by one of the advocates
Ukuba ukhona umuntu esicinga uba angasinceda esimthembileyo.
that there is someone that we highly trust, that we believe could assist or could be of assistance.
And kuba nalomntu uzawukwenza le motion court ngumuntu oyijaji.
And as well as the fact that this person that will be running this court is a judge.
An acting judge to be specific.
Ukucacisa ke ibingujaji withutyana obambeleyo.
Yabe nabo bona bengamagqwetha beze necebo loba ingenziwa virtually.
And as them in a group of lawyers, they were then able to suggest that this could be conducted virtually.
Uye ke lo advocate lo wamnika inamba yomntu lo bathi bamthembile ke kuye kwacaca uba ndim ke lo.
And that particular lawyer then granted him or gave him the number of the person that they trusted, and it became clear that that person was myself.
So just to be clear, your number was given to the respondent by someone else, and he called you.
Ukucacelwa nje kule ndawo uthi inombolo yakho yanikwa lo umangaleleyo uba makakufowunele.
Kunjalo mhlala ngaphambili.
That is correct, Chairperson.
Uyo.
Judge President Mbenenge entered the chambers where I worked in.
Ungeneke ecela wabuza kuqala uba ukhona na umama wam.
Upon entering, he asked as to whether my mother was present.
Why did he ask that, or just explain to us that context?
Kutheni lento ezawubuza lonto khawusicacisele ngayo yona lo meko.
Kwayena uthi thina masithi ijaji esebenza nazo ngomama bethu notata bethu if usebenza nojaji oyindoda.
He is the very same person that would say when we work with female judges, we should refer to them as our mothers, and if we work with the male judges, it's our fathers.
Naye ke xa ethetha ngabo ethetha nomnye umuntu okanye nam wayethethela kulonto uba ukhona na umama wam.
He was then referring, when he was talking to me, exactly to that when he asked as to whether my mother was present.
Referring to the judge.
Uthetha ngojudge.
Uthetha ngojaji.
That is correct.
Yes, continue.
Kuba.
Unkqonkqozeka ayi-1 ke wavula umnyango wangena phakathi phaa kwichamber kajaji.
He knocked once, opened the door, and entered the judge's chambers.
Ngoku angenayo ukuqala phaa kule ofisi yam ke ndicela uyicacisa uba apha emva komnyango kwakuhleli umntana wam kwicouch.
As he entered, if I may explain this part, as he entered, behind the door, there's a couch, and my child was seated on the couch.
Akambonanga ke ngoba ngeli xesha angenayo bengajonganga kweli cala lisemva kocango.
He did not see the child when he entered, because when he entered, he did not look towards the direction of the back of the door.
Uhlalile ke for ixeshana apha ngaphakathi nojaji bevalile.
He remained for quite a while, or some time, inside with the judge, and the door was closed.
Yes.
Uphumile ke emzuzweni.
After a while, he came out.
wabona ke umntana lo ngoba ngoku xa ephuma kulo mnyango kajaji amehlo wakhe angqamana nale ndawo umntana mebehleli kuyo.
He came out, then he saw the child, because coming out of the judge's chambers, now his eyes are now facing directly where the child was seated.
Ubuzile ke uba ngumntana wam nalo.
He asked as to whether this was my child.
Wabuza neminyaka yakhe.
He asked how old the child was.
Did he ask that there?
Uyibuze pha ngela xesha.
Uyibuzile nayo walandelisa ngobuza notata wakhe uba uphi.
Yes, he asked that, as well as the whereabouts of the father of the child.
Ndimxelele ke uba akekho utata unaye but andisekho naye mna.
I informed him that the child does have a father, however, we are no longer together.
Uphumile ke wahamba.
He then left.
Was that all that he said?
Phela kwento ayithethileyo leyo,
Endisayikhumbulayo ngoku kwalo mzuzu.
which I can still recall at the.
All right. Have you ever started a conversation on WhatsApp with the judge president before this day?
Wawukhe wanalo ithuba apho wawuqale incoko wena no judge president ngaphambi kwayo le mini?
Awuzange.
No, I've never.
And before this day, has the JP, the judge president, ever started a conversation on WhatsApp with you?
Ngaphambi kolu usuku sulibonayo apha wayekhe yena ujudge president waqala incoko nawe?
Awuzange.
No, he has never.
Now, this WhatsApp comes through at 18:54 in the evening. What was your initial thoughts when you saw that there's a message coming through from the judge president?
Ngoku ke lo myalezo ungena ixesha kushiyeke nje imizuzu mithandathu phambi kwentsimbi yesixhenxe ngokuhlwa. Kuye kwafika ntoni engqondweni yakho xa ubona into yokokuba kungena umyalezo osuka ku-JP?
Xa kungena imessage uqala efowunini yam ivela yonke ayithi notification, so ndayivele ndayibona ndingekangeni kuWhatsApp ndabona usorry, so ndabona ke ngokuba uxolisela isenzo sakhe okanye intetho yakhe yasemini.
Okay. What happens is with my cell phone, as soon as a message comes in, it does not give you the notification word to show you that there is a message. The actual message, in fact, will be depicted on the phone, all of it. And the first word I saw was sorry. I could then tell he was apologizing on the incident that had taken place earlier.